Want a faster, more reliable website without the tech headaches? Let me show you why hosting.com is the smart choice in 2025. First, speed. Hosting.com's turbo servers are built for quick page loads, so your visitors never get stuck waiting. Second, uptime you can trust. With a 99.9% uptime guarantee, your site stays online when it matters most. Third, expert support. Their 24/7 team is always ready to help, whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned developer. And if you're switching from another host, they'll migrate your site for free, no downtime, no stress. Developers love hosting.com too, with support for PHP, MySQL, Node.js, and more right out of the box. Get started today with our hosting.com speed and setup guide. Click the link below to see step by step how easy it is.